Welcome to AI Code Crunch. I am your host, Dr. Syed Farhan Alam Zaidi, and today I am going to walk you through the first step to becoming a Python programmer, installing Python on your system. Whether you are just starting out or refreshing your setup, this guide is for you. For the installation of Python, first we need to download the Python package. The Python package is available on the official website of Python. So go to the official Python website, open the browser and write python.org and navigate to the download page. Click on downloads and choose the version that matches your operating system. Mostly the latest stable version works perfectly because nowadays everyone is using Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you wanna download previous version, click on the full list of downloads. Then choose the preferred version of Python and download it. After downloading Python package, run the downloaded Python installer. A new installation window will open, and don't do it very fast. First, check the two checkboxes at the left bottom corner, which will add the python.exe to the Windows environment path and gives the admin permission. Then click on the install now. It will take some time to install the Python library and its dependencies. After the installation setup was successful screen will show, and here do not forget to disable path length limit, and after this close the installer. To check whether Python is correctly installed or not, open the command prompt and write Python in the command line and press enter. Then you will see the Python version and Python console. So this was the process of installing a Python package. In the next video, we will learn how to set up a virtual environment. So stay tuned and keep watching the videos on AI Code Crunch. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.